Alright, so this week I am the only one here. You got the peanut gallery on the side, but I am the one that's going to be doing all the stuff today. So welcome to Monday Makes.
In love with the shape of you.
So today we are making a DIY wall decor for our living room. What I'm painting today is an Arizona sunset, and I do this because of its beautiful colors. To start off, what I'm going to do is I want to make an outline of my colors with the mountain in the front and the sky in the back. Once I've made my outline, I want to start painting the background with the sky. This is to help see how the colors are supposed to be represented throughout the whole entire picture with the mountain. At this point I had to bring out a reference photo because I couldn't remember what I was doing. Now we move on to blending. This is the fun part because I chose fast acting acrylic to work with, so I have limited time for blending. Now we're shifting into our blues, a sudden change from the reds we've been working with. Now I'm softening up the hard edges between the colors. Now I jumped all the way up here because I wanted to help with my blending between the two colors that I have. I have the darker color on top and on bottom, with the lighter color sandwiched in between to help give it some dimension. Onwards to the darker blues. From here we keep layering darker and darker blues. Alright, so I jumped ahead. I got everything done except for my next part, which we're going to do is clouds. Really fun about clouds is the fact that they're quite colorful, especially during a sunset. And the one that I'm going to be doing is going to make it pink at the top with it more yellow at the bottom to help with the look. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be using quite a bit of white and just a sprinkle of red. And hopefully this gives me the pink that I'm looking for, like a fluffy pink. And it does. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just go right ahead, just sprinkle all up here. That seems a little too pink. I'm actually going to use more of a purplish pink. All right, this looks a lot better. Now that I have a lighter color, you can come across the bottom of it. So we jumped to the end, got the whole entire thing finished, so here's the B-roll. Please like, subscribe, comment.
If you do, I'll throw more Skittles at him.
Yeah, you will.
Yeah.
Comment below, throw more Skittles at me. Bye.